First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create AI videos for TikTok, start by deciding on a short, attention-grabbing idea. TikTok videos work best when the main idea is introduced quickly, so plan a strong opening that immediately tells viewers what the video is about. Next, choose a vertical format for your video. Plan the video as several short scenes, instead of trying to generate everything at once. For each scene, write a clear prompt describing the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. For example, you could create a fast-paced futuristic city scene where a character walks through glowing streets while the camera smoothly follows from behind. Generate the scenes individually and review each clip carefully. Keep the character's appearance, clothing, environment, and overall visual style consistent when the same elements appear in multiple scenes. Focus on movement and visual changes that support the short-form format. You can use quick camera movements, close-ups, dramatic reveals, or visually interesting transitions when they fit the content. After generating the clips, combine them in a video editor. Add a voiceover, background music, sound effects, captions, and transitions. Keep the pacing fast enough to maintain attention, but make sure viewers can still understand what is happening. Add captions, because many people watch short-form videos without sound. Before exporting, check the video in vertical format and make sure important subjects and text are positioned safely within the visible area. Also check for flickering, distorted objects, inconsistent characters, and awkward transitions. Finally,